Safety first, don't forget to have an adult around when you do this. Today we're making rock candy, and because we're stuck inside because of coronavirus and school's been closed, so we have nothing to do, and now I'm making rock candy. So here is the things you'll need. Food coloring if you want it to be colored. You'll need 2 cups, or 1 cup if you want to just make one. Wooden skewers or chopsticks. And we used wire to hold them on the cup, but you can use a clothespin. Keep your skewer about 1 inch from the bottom or higher. You need a pot and sugar, and if you want it to be flavored, some flavor. We measured how much water we needed to fill our cups, and we measured 3 cups for ours. So before you put your sugar in, you need to boil your water. Make sure you don't burn yourself. So we're gonna keep adding 1/4 cup of sugar into the water until it stops dissolving.
I hope Mom doesn't find out that we're cooking in the kitchen.
You almost used all the sugar. How much more do you think it can hold?
How much sugar? Oh my gosh! That's like all the sugar.
More. There's never enough
Mom's
sugar.
gonna be
Just like on my
mad.
cereal.
Pour it all in.
Yeah, sugar.
More.
Oh my god. It's
Insulin.
getting thick like syrup.
Make sure you got your shoes on so you don't burn your feet.
It's oversaturated now.
Oh my,
Oh my god, there's like lumps at the top. The scoops are floating. It's really bubbly. Turn off the oven and pull it off the burner and let it cool for 20 minutes. Set the timer to 20 minutes. So now you're gonna pour the solution into the cup almost all the way to the top on both cups. We had enough to do 2 extra small cups or 3 big cups. And with a little bit extra, you can use it for oatmeal or make some sweetener. Now we're gonna put in the colors and the flavors. I'm using just about 1/4 of a pinch. That was cool. About a 1/2 pinch of vanilla. This one's vanilla, this one's just sugar, and this one's the lemon. And for the best results, you want to make it really dark in color. This one will be blue. And green always looks cool. Next, we're gonna put in the skewers. Make sure when you put them in, they're not touching the sides. They stay in the middle. Keep your skewer about 1 inch from the bottom or higher and wait about 3 to 7 days for the crystals to form. We've let these sit here for 3 days, and you can see how this is crystallized on the side of the cup. And to get these out, we had to chisel the sides and then them in the cups so we can let the sugar water drip out. And this one's already been chiseled. How does it work? When you mix the water and the sugar, it made a super saturated solution. So that means that the sugar could only go into the water if it was very, very hot. When the water cools down, the sugar comes out of the water, forming crystals on your skewer because the water can no longer hold that much sugar anymore. And then you have a tasty treat to eat.
I just peed my pants.
What?